guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So as you all read by the title, it's a haul video, and on 27th of November it was Black Friday, so I shopped quite a lot, like for my family as well as for myself. So in today's video I'll share what all I got for myself, and if you're someone interested then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel then please go hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family, and without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So the very first thing that I bought is this white colored baguette bag. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but it is something like this only, and the moment I saw it I was like I had to get it. They had it in like 4 to 5 colors, and I don't own anything like in bags in white, so I thought let's get white because white goes with almost everything. And if you're someone who loves getting trendy things, then you will know that these bags are all over the internet, so I had to get one. And talking about the chain is very sturdy and it's not at all very heavy. Like you can use it on a daily basis. So it has a sling thing which you can tie, and you can also use it as a sling bag, and I absolutely love it. Hopping on to the clothes part, a quick disclaimer: everything, like the tops that I bought, everything has a puff sleeve going on. I don't know what was going in my mind while shopping, but when I came back home after that I realized it. So the very first top I bought is this black colored knitted fabric top, and it has an organza puff sleeve going on, and I love how beautiful it looks. Like it flatters my body in like all possible ways, and you can also use it as a cardigan by opening up the front buttons. And the very best thing about this is it is black in color, so you can pair it with everything and anything and it will look amazing. I bought is this very basic medium-sized cream colored Zara top, and I know it has a very long v-neck, but you can wear a spaghetti inside and you will be good to go. And I think investing in basic pieces never goes out of style because you can style them up and down and look beautiful. So this one is the next one. Talking about the next basic top that I got, this one is also a very basic brown colored full sleeve top, and this one is also from Zara, and I got it in size small. And the fabric of this top is not too thick and not too thin. Like you can wear it in summers as well as winters, and you can use such kind of tops as an layering piece under your jackets, blazers, overcoats during winters, and it will look really good. And the color of this fabric is something like which completely gives winter vibes, and I absolutely love it. So the next top that I bought is also a puff sleeved one, and the fabric of this top is completely different. Like I don't own anything in this color and in this fabric also. Like from outside it kind of has a net thing going on, but from inside it's really soft. And this top you can also use in winters as well as in summers, and the color of this top is something really new for me, and I can't wait to style it in different ways. About the bottoms, I got this mini skirt. It is an animal print, and the main thing that I like about this is its detailing which is going on in front as well as in back and from both the sides. And this skirt also has a zipper from the side, and this one is also from Zara, and I got it in the size extra small, and I absolutely love it. Like it's so cute, and you can wear it in summers as well as in winters, and you can create multiple looks. bought is this black colored trouser from Zara, and it kind of has not too wide but kind of wide leg bottom, and in the front it has an bow thing going on which kind of gives it a new twist. And I don't own anything like this, and I never like wear trousers on a daily basis, so I thought let's try it. And they fit me like amazingly. I got it in size small, and this one is also from Zara, and they are super high waisted, so that's a very big thumbs up for it. Now talking about dress, I just got one dress and it is in the knitted fabric. It is a knee length black colored dress, and the main thing that grabbed my attention was its leathered puff sleeve. And as I mentioned, I bought everything in puff sleeve, so this one also is a puff sleeve dress, and it is a full high neck turtleneck kind of thing. And you like, it is basic as well as it has an kind of twist, like modern chic twist to it. That is what I like about it, and you can wear it in multiple ways, like as a top as well as a dress, and make the most use out of it. The second last thing that I bought, it's a overcoat. It is in yellow color, and I don't own any winter material overcoat which is like a bright colored one, so I thought let's invest in this one. And I got it in size medium because I wanted it to be kind of oversized, and it's like the fabric of it is so soft, and at the same time it's so warm. Like, it looks so thin but it's warm at the same time. The last thing that I bought is this shawl, and I love the color, the combination of it, and I use it on a daily basis. So basically it is really warm, and this one is also from Zara, and you can also use it like as a muffler whenever you go out, and you can tie it around your neck, and you can create multiple looks out of it. And this is how it looks like. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Also, I just want to mention it, like मैं इससे पहले यही वीडियो शूट कर रही थी, and मैंने वीडियो स्टार्ट करना ही रह गया था. So like मैं कैमरे के सामने बड़ सब कर ली, and when I got up to stop the video, I realized like the screen was black, and I was like phone is dead or what happened, and I saw that I didn't start the video. So please hit that like button for my efforts because I shot it again. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and if you want me to do more haul videos, then please let me know. I know I'm not that great at explaining things, but this is my first time doing, so I'll try my best in my next videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.